Doorway is an open access drop-in centre. We cater for homeless and marginalised adults in the north of Wiltshire. We have up to 250 people a year coming through our door, and every single one of those people has a story. They all have a history and a background and a story and a need for our service. So we break down barriers and build up relationships, and we're not an advice centre, we signpost to other support services that are local, and we work in partnership with other services so that we can have that kind of relationship where we can signpost effectively and quickly. I think the whole ethos of Doorway is that we can provide a safe, secure atmosphere for our guests to come and just spend a little bit of time each week in a safe, secure environment. We call them guests, we don't call them service users, and we don't call them clients. And we work on a level of mutual respect on that basis. You know, we are welcoming them into what we like to think is a family atmosphere. What we do is we can sit down and we can spend a lot of time working one-to-one with them so that we can build up levels of trust, break down the barriers of communication. And once we've done that, we can then work towards supporting them and signposting them to the services that they actually need.
If I didn't come to Doorway, I would be on the streets drinking myself to death. I would probably be back in prison, and God knows what would happen then. The best thing, speaking to the staff, seeing my friends, getting a hot cooked meal inside me, and getting my clothes washed and cleaning myself.
Doorway provides extra activities for our guests. We run creative writing sessions, IT sessions, we have a music workshop, and we do football sessions. For us, it's those extra activities can break down the communication barriers. Once a month we have a composer and a songwriter come in and lead music workshops, and then in between the guests will actually do their own thing, and it just gives such an atmosphere of it's such a positive atmosphere in the building.
The best thing about Doorway is the chance you get to come in and meet other people in the same situation as myself, and get to sit down and talk to them and get information off of them, and also give information to them how to lead their lives, basically.
Well, winning the award was a fantastic experience. We never anticipated that we would get that public recognition, and actually coming back and telling the team of volunteers was wonderful, because we are such a strong, cohesive team of people that it actually showed that I was giving something back to the volunteers and to the team, and that we were getting the public recognition from a higher level and from the statutory bodies, and it gave us the credibility for applying for funding.